I wonder if this might just be my favourite chicken recipe in SEARED. Sesame smoked chicken with garlic and ginger rice. I absolutely love this recipe. Starting with 2 small fires. Yes, you can cook on charcoal when it looks like this if it's pure enough, and mine obviously is. A bit of smoking wood to create that smoky flavour. And then a wok in the middle, good glug of sesame oil. And then put a chicken, nice big chicken in there, let it smoke for an hour or so. Meanwhile, chop up a couple of onions. I'm using red, could be any onion. And then grate a big lump of ginger, crush up some garlic cloves. I like to crush them with salt to make a lovely paste. Then lift out that chicken, get the onion in, chicken back on. So easy, this recipe. Meanwhile, crush up some white pepper, love white pepper. Lift the chicken, put the ginger and garlic in, then that white pepper. And then you want to add some rice that's been soaking for an hour in cold water. Top it up with chicken stock, about 500ml. Chicken back on. Little sprinkle of sesame seeds, lid on this time. And then we cook it to temperature, about 73 Celsius. So, sesame chicken, ginger and garlic rice, a little sprinkle of spring onions on the top. I know this is going to taste delicious. It's a bit of a shame. It seems to be autumn all of a sudden and we have lost all that beautiful evening light.